Hello friends, my name is Madhu. I am owner of Aranyam. We are the manufacturers and exporters for handmade soaps and skincare products. Today I am going to touch a very sensitive topic. Choosing handmade soaps is very crucial. You might be wondering why am I talking about that choosing handmade soap is very crucial. So I'll just touch very simple points here. If you talk about the ingredients, what goes into a soap, it is really scary. Somebody said once that if an ingredient name you cannot read, you should not use it. But when we look at the list of ingredients behind the label, which normally we do not read, but we must read. If you read the ingredients behind your label, you will come to know what all you are using. The science says whatever you are applying on your skin, 65% of it gets into your bloodstreams, and whatever gets into your bloodstreams, it is into your system like you have eaten something. And the enzymes in our body does not have the capacity to dissolve these chemicals. So with the result, these chemicals stay within us for quite a long time, resulting different kind of diseases like cancer. Using this kind of soaps on kids, babies, is even more vulnerable because children's skin is much more finer and thinner than the adult skin. So harmful ingredients what can enter in our system are more prone to enter into children's skin, children's system very easily. And keeping in mind their weight and size, the weight and size of the child, the harm of the ingredient is much higher as compared to the adult. And problem is not only the soap. We are applying soap, then we are applying shampoo, then we are applying the conditioner, then talcum powder or whatnot. So look, just imagine if you know a little bit chemistry, one product is causing so much damage. What is happening when all these products are combining? They must be reacting with each other. One or the other product or ingredient of them must be reacting with the ingredient of the other product, and they are creating much dangerous substances within us. There are products, soaps or skincare products with the label saying natural or herbal. So just by reading the name, you must be thinking that this is natural, this is good for our skin. But hey, please turn on the label at the back. Please go through the ingredients. There are many products available in the market saying they are herbal, but they are not herbal at all. Look at the ingredients, judge by yourself, buy very sensibly, look at the details and then purchase, because all these things definitely are going to affect our health, our skin and our complete lifespan. Thank you.